Good morning, all. Welcome to SS Creation. Today we will have a look at our stock market view on based on yesterday. And from today onwards, we are going to see stocks for positional trade. And when there is a good movement, I will give you a view on intraday settings. See, market is at peak right now, and this week expiries are also having a very narrow range. For till Thursday, it is better to avoid trading, but there are some stocks where you can take a positions on, which would give you a good return on investment. We are going to see what are those stocks today. Before that, we will see how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed today based on our view yesterday. See, this is the first candle for the day today. Market opened down and it made a good positive move in the first 5 minutes candle. Then it kept carrying the position till the noon, which is around 12 o'clock. And if you see, yesterday we told there is a huge call rating at 16,000 and 15,900. So exactly at 15,929 market started to reverse, and see here, from here it started to reverse. This is a 5 minutes chart. See here, you are almost, it is a double top formation, only some 5-10 points was the difference. So almost double top formation, and market started to reverse around 15,900 and it reached around where 15,822. Yesterday I told 15,800 was straddle people are doing. So market can maximum move 100 points up and 100 points down. That is exactly what has happened. Market went on to the 100 points up in the morning. From there, market has corrected to the mean value of 15,800. And when we see Bank Nifty, we will see what happened with respect to Bank Nifty. Similarly, with Bank Nifty, first 5 minutes candle is a huge bullish candle. It opened gap down. Post that, if you see, there is a beautiful rally. I exactly told 13,600. 36,000 has lot of call rating, and if you see 35,900, it started to reverse, and where it in around 2 o'clock. Okay, so and where it ended 35,614. And if you see, I yesterday told 35,500 straddle was being done by many people. So that is what exactly market is reflecting on. Now we will go ahead and see what is the option chain looks like today. See, there is no much change. If you see with respect to option chain, again see here 15,800. There is a huge straddle that is going on. 15,700 to 15,900 huge put and call rating respectively is being done, and 16,000 as a very high call rating. So market cannot go to 16,000. Maximum it will reverse around 15,950 range, and similarly around 15,700 range. This is the range that market will be playing. Similarly, what is the status of Bank Nifty? If you see, again 35,500 straddle is being made by the option writers, and where 36,000 has a huge call rating and 35,000 huge put ratings. So exactly this is what happened in Bank Nifty also. Market went to 35,900 and then it reversed back to say 35,600 position. 35,600 straddle is also been written by many people. 35,500 straddle is also written. So market will be playing between the range of 35,200 to 35,900. This is the range that market will be playing, and 35,000 would be the huge support and 36,000 would be the huge resistance. So this is where the market will be trading. Now we will have a look at the stock views. Before that, still that FII data has not been released in the market. So we will see whether before our video ends whether FII data and DI data is being released. Okay, now we will have a look at the stocks. We told there are many stocks in an attractive range where we can take a positions. First is HDFC. See here, whenever it breaks this level, it will take the support and it will reverse back. This is how always it will happen. So again it has come to the position where it has bottomed out, and if you see last 3 days it is trying to make the reversal. So if it break 2548 or 47 range, there is a very good opportunity for that to go reach till 2643. So this could be the entry position, and we can take a target of 2640 levels. Next stock would be ICICI. If you see, there is a clear breakout in ICICI which happened recently. If you see this level again, see here, whenever the share comes to this level, or breaks this level, it will take immediate support on the nearby region. So it has reversed from here, which is 620 levels, and now it is trading around 650 level. 660 could be the resistance. So any opportunity you get between 600 to 630, grab that opportunity and try to enter into ICICI Bank, and you can expect the target of 660, 680 and 700 on a medium term basis. Similarly, Axis Bank you can enter around 730 to 740 range. This is a very good range if you enter, and you can easily make a target of 800 to 850 in the medium term basis. With respect to Infosys too overpriced. But why I would prefer to enter Infosys, I will tell after I tell you regarding TCS. See, there is a huge decline in TCS currently. This is a very attractive position where you can start entering, but don't go and for any aggressive position on TCS. Slowly start to accumulate. And this weekend, I think we have a result for TCS. I will confirm you in the next video, or maybe tomorrow. This weekend we have a result for TCS. So this is a very good position. From here the market can reverse. If at all it still declines, it can go till 3129. This is the range that it can reach. So you can think of accumulating between the range of 3259 to 3120. This level, if you start accumulating, you can easily get the target of 3400. And if TCS declares a pretty good result, it will create the impact on entire IT sector, because Accenture created a good impact on IT sector when the result was announced in US market. All the IT started rallying pretty good because the expectation of result with all IT stocks are very high because of work from home, reduction in expenditure for the company. So profit is expected to be high. All IT stocks can perform really well. So just think about it. If you have an opportunity in Infosys somewhere around 15,500, it will be a great entry. If at all it falls rapidly also, you can accumulate in the range of 1400 to 1360 with the 1600 as a first target in mind. Actually, Infosys, TCS and all you can take for a long term also. You can do SIP year on year, so you will have a very good returns in this kind of a stocks. Then Neogen Chemical, if you see exactly, it has gone down below these three lines which we have marked, and it has taken a support nearby and it has reversed. The moment it breaks 891, we could see a good movement till 930, and next target could be 1000. So people can focus on this, accumulate slowly, make a good profit. JK Lakshmi again. See, this is something like a box breakout stock. Yesterday I planned to enter this particular stock today morning. I even placed an AMO order for 600, but unfortunately it opened around 600. Today's low was 606. So my order did not trigger today in AMO order. And if you see, the stock has gone till 673 today itself. The moment it broke this 603 range, it drastically jumped 70-80 rupees higher. 70-80 rupees for 600 is almost 10%. So that was the return that stock gave today. But it's so unfortunate, it opened 6 rupees above my levels. So I was not able to take position. So don't be in a urgent to enter the stock right away. So wait for some corrections. If you get any correction, try to take it around 628 to 600 range. If you are able to take it at that range, you can expect a good target of around 700 on a short term basis. And you can hold the stock for a medium to long term view as well, because the stock is performing really good and their financials are also really good. We will start looking at the long term investment related videos soon. We will do the financial analysis of each and every stocks in the forthcoming videos. Now, for people with small capital, this is one of the very good stocks, Steel Authority of India. So one can start accumulating this stock slowly. Don't take any aggressive position on this stock. So anything around 100 to 118 will be a good range to buy, with a view of 150 and 170 as a target. Next stock is going to be IDFC First Bank. See, this stock has also broken its support levels. it is going down. But whenever the stock reaches this particular position 53 range, it started to reverse. So now again it is around the same level of 53. So there is a possibility of it reversing. If at all, if it falls, it can fall to 49 level and 46 level. Wait, we will see that also. So this is 46 to 47 rupees. So this is a good price to accumulate this particular stock as well, and you can expect the target of 60 to 70 rupees. So small capital people can slowly accumulate this IDFC First Bank and the sale. Probably from weekend this Sunday, we will try to take stocks one by one, and we will start to do the fundamental analysis of the stocks. So everyone will know how to do the fundamental analysis before entering into a particular stock. And I will plan to take some breakout stocks and do the fundamental analysis, so you can get a better returns. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.